good afternoon, depending on where you are seeing this live video from. Please, if you're watching this live video, do me a favor by sharing this video. Yeah, I sincerely want to apologize to some of my fans who called me to say, Skibo, please stay out of this saga. We don't want you in this saga. It doesn't fit you. Allow them to do their stuff. Epotaku was because my name was mentioned and I need to clear the air. Even my boss had to call me Seaman Global. That's why I came out to, debunk the fake news. And I have a brand to protect as well. So this morning, someone sent me a live video. And I've been reading some comments on that live video. Some people were saying, Skibo is not a good friend to you. Why didn't he defend you? Listen and listen very good. One, he can never be my friend. He's just a colleague. I can never be a friend with someone who will come in my presence and laugh with me. Then, block your colleague. Maybe someone reach out to you now and say, Alpha, we need this guy for this advert. Do you have his contact? Guys say, or just or if with 2 teeth, and you call yourself my friend. Is it because we are not? Is it because I have not come out to talk? Is it because I have not come out to talk? Is it not ringing in your head like that I'm gonna avoid? Like I know why I avoided you for some time now. Or na mzeregeze. Or because if I start talking but okay, I don't have time for all this nonsense. The only advice I have to give to you is learn how to control your mouth. Stop destroying people's name just to get favor that moment. Because you see this thing called karma. Karma is real. Karma. You see karma. Karma is real. You might be doing it today and you are going scot-free. Email today, the day karma will remember you. You will look at your back and you will not see anybody. And you see those people you are calling your friends that won't look to you eyeball to eyeball to tell you that what you are doing is bad. Abstain from it. Change your ways. They will not talk to you. This thing you are doing, remove your hand from it. They won't. Instead, they'll be clapping for you. To see that we are with you. Gang. I know they do cartel something. When I started this Facebook, most of them never even get page. I know they do cartel something. I know they do gang. You know, form more group. They do cartel something. Only defend. Me na one man mopo. I know they do saga. Ijon dem mene saga. And they saga kurego no wa. If for some of you we don't they follow me since. I do one day this saga kurego na this Facebook at least may go second, go third. But nothing, and when here on a saga, you will be trending, and you are thinking they are hearing your name. Give feeling that yes, I'm the one trending. I know Gaham, without knowing that you are destroying your brand. Without knowing that you are destroying your brand. A lot of people, do you think everybody in this blue app are fools? Some people knows the truth and they are keeping silent, looking at you. They are not even commenting. They know which one is the truth and the one which is lie. I know we have a lot of fools here. Even as I'm talking now, there are a lot of fools here commenting rubbish. But I don't have time. I don't block you people. No, if I block you now, you don't mind us. But I need you people. Make una day. Ndishi dem mandishi na dem make una day. I need remunu nile because my dad used to tell me monyo ojo baruru. So I need you people. Manda ishi na dem I need una. Oh no, I wanna ihane me na gaga. I can never be a friend to God who made me. I can never be a friend to a snitch. That you come to my face, I ain't rich up, then you will see a contract that will want to come to me, give me Biaham, destroy ya dia. Give divert to your gang. You think I'm not hearing everything? I just kept silent. But if you are doing your nonsense, saying you are doing saga, because I'm being kept for a long time ago now. Now calculate. You understand? So if you are doing your saga and your nonsense, destroying people's name just to stay at the top, you see this blue app. This blue app, no idea. You see those your squad clapping for you. You give feeling when it cartels. Oga, you are destroying your brand. You won't tell me that all the blue app I won't be believe. No, but then to go when I'm boss. A friend the women here joy you lega ni who say baba this one where you they do now you know do I'm right. Stop it. Ana korogaka. Give feel that you are the top, that your name is you are trending in a bad way. You went there her colleague gi. Ekutoku colleague gi home going how much or email. Guess I'm say one mother. Oh God, there is no smoke without fire. There is no smoke without fire. There is nothing you fit tell me. And when you want to believe in this blue app, I'm a name when indeed believe here, but I'm a name when indeed shit them. Read my lips. There is no smoke without fire. Oga, learn how to keonu geriri. Mero wegi henkechu no, that's the only issue I have with you. Cho. Only problem I have with you. And if I look you and you are that kind of person, cho, I ameze charagi zere even rofa ne nyozigi. That's the kind of person I am. Anemeze onye cho. I've heard so many things, but I no go. I'm too big for that shit. I don't do dragon. All those things don't go. It don't go. I don't even leave the blue app phone and a TikTok I did now. They do my thing. If you can catch maybe your fellow colleague them get wrong guy how much or your colleague actually in your business, you go there finish and give block hoya. Oh him again. And I say, if I stand by him, if I do, oh God, if you email your job, I will look at you eyeball to eyeball. Do you know why I love myself so much? I don't do, some of you never quite hear cartel gang, it's like you people are just, some of you are in this blue app for ego, maybe when you drag somebody, or you people are just loyal to somebody because of him from it. Oga, 10 naira, 10,000, 20,000, zuru. I can't because of egom genwete mako winyo. Be you who let the person come out to send us more Skibo a kurola ni ego cut or colleague or Otana say how do I put it? Just to get favor, man, ego. I can't do it. It's not pride, but in him when it's not, read my lips, it's not pride, but in him when zurum. You see all these big men, all these our bosses where we say, I can remember that I hardly even call them. I need him all those. Even when my boss called me yesterday, Seaman, he was like, this one where you know they call me again, waiting happen. I said, boss, nothing, no. I know one I know Sabi worry big man. A man behind on a meeting. I don't do things for money. I told them I know me here I like if you like me, you like me, and if you don't like me, you day your day, I day my day. This is the kind of person I am. But some of you here, unu di ready. Unu di ready in address matter kunu na ego. Just ego. Money. Unu di ready ire oto one no. Just kunu nata that money. Kini mrem di zero. If you want me, we'll be friends. We go become friends. And I'm not gonna win. I'm a man who drone D nebi. Or would do drone the more nebi. Or God, day your day. I fucking block you. You don't need you in my life. I know they're doing here, gang. If you people should watch closely now, I'm amazing here cartel here, gang. I don't do one man mopo, only me. And I'm a man here. I know they do cartel something here.